Siyabingelela. This is Babu Dawutela Inyanga. Babu Dawutela wenyanga umelaphi ndabuko usebenzela ebuilding ekuthiwa iNedbank House building. Ngise 19th floor la ngikhona. Studio sesenza kuthiwa dark room studio number 1. Ilapha kwaBudodela uzomfica khona enza khona ama video e19th floor. Ungafika kwamanje uzosifica sikhona. We'll enjoy you, we'll celebrate you. Uzoba one of my guests azoba khona. Now khululekani bakithi ake sikhulumeni lento le. This is Babu Dawutela. Ezinye izinto efuna ngizisho bese ngenza disclaimer ngithi I am Babu Dawutela, the grocery trace inyanga, not the financial advisor. Now you got it. But nazi ngizafuna ukisho. At your age now, una more than 5 years usebenza. Before you reach that 5 years usebenza, uqala ukusebenza una 23 years. Yes, both uyaqhubeka manje una 3 years usebenza, una 36 months usebenza. Awungafanike nomuntu ongasebenzi. Ngokwe rating, credit score yakho ayingafani nomuntu ongasebenzi. Kunamahlobo lezinto ozenzayo ezingakuniki credit score right. At your age now, kufuna ukuthi manje uqale ubheke amabhenki ongasiwavule. Hayi lelo lisensayo njengamanje uyalazi nawo lelo lisensa ngeEnglish gama lapha. Ake ubuke ukuthi umuvula ikhadi Standard Bank, eAbsa, eFNB. Akubuke lo mabhenki lawo. Ukuthi kwenzekani? Kungenzekani kuwena? Chris yakho izoqala ikhuphuka manje. Wovula icheck account lapha. Hamba uye ka Vodacom, hambe ke MTN ufike uthathe icontract yama data uyikhokhele for 6 months. I-credit score yakho izokhuphuka ngendlela ongazo uyibona ungathola ngisho imoto. Ngoba kunenhlobo kunenhlobo zamabhenki that does not help you to grow. Kunohlobo le banking oyenzayo that does not grow your credit score. Kunezinto ozenzayo zokuhlala emajointini that does not grow your credit score. Kunezinto ozenzayo that do racing ngemoto that does not grow your credit score. Having a contract with one of the networks, airtime, data nje kuphela, it grows your credit score. It grows your credit score. And then ukuthi njengamanje una 18 years usebenza but still usebenza i-savings account, konke ingahambi kahle kuwena. Konke ongayenzi kahle. Njengamanje ufuna ngabe usuna i-check account. Njengamanje ufuna ngabe usuna i-credit card. Njengamanje ufuna ngabe usuna i-credit card. Those are the things that you need, especially because kuzoba nesikhathi la udinga ukuthi uye phesheya or uphume South Africa uya kwamanye amazwe. You need a credit card, not a savings card. Credit card. Lezi zinto lezi if we cannot tell you njalo sinitshele ngezigubhu nani ukutshela kutshengisa lengqondo yethi ikwi-level yezigubhu. Itshengisa ukuthi nathi ezinjengenyanga inqondo yethi ikwi-level yezigubhu, we are at gubhu level. Yeah. Ngoba manje ngiyazibuka ukuthi ngeke abantu abenzi lento ngendlela. Hayibo. Alikho ni account onayo ebank ngaphandle kwale bank lemnyama. Zikhulise manje. At your age, we are 55 years. Kufuna ukuthi at least life cover yakhe na 3 years uyikhokhela. At least. Lokho ukuthi ke i-funeral cover into oqala engacela ukuthi ngicela uyithathe, ngisafuna ukutshela ngicela uyithathe. Ayikho into ngicela uyithathe nje, ngisafuna ukukhuluma nawe ngicela uyithathe. So ngicela uyithathe. Why am I saying that? You have to be told the truth. Stand up and walk on your own. Ngobani na kusemhlabeni la uzelo uzonqaka nakho kwakho. Akekho umuntu ozonabukilisa wena. Akekho. Izinto ufuna utshelwe zinjengoba zinjalo and leave no blank space. Sikutshela ukuthi no. Kwi poverty kwenzeka into ezo2. Either you are in or you are out. Ngoba if u in, those who are outside, they want to be out. Ngalo ndlela lalelaka. Enza okukodwa. Start to work with those people who are out. Ngoba those people who are out bafuna ungene ngaphakathi kwi poverty nabo. And thereafter start to fly with those people who can fly higher than ordinary. Do you know ukuthi isilwane esindiza kakhulu higher than above nezinye asinayo threat ukuthi khona isilwane esosibulala? Because sona sikwazi ukundiza kakhulu, sindize kakhulu. Even iloku leopard, lekuthiwa icheetah, lekuthiwa igijima kakhulu, ibulawa imambe engakwazi ukugijima. Ibulawa ibulo lengazi ukugijima. Having fast, it does not help, but going higher and higher, go corporate, you get respected. In India, when you are rich, you live on the 37th floor. In India, more rich. If you are poor, you stay on the second floor and first floor, all those lower floors. Those are the poor people. Abantu abarishi bona abahamba ama private jet because ama private jet andizela phezulu kunala wethu. Engisho ukuthi nawe ke lezi zinto lezi ufuna uzazi ukuthi phuma kuhlobo lwabantu abandizela phansi empilweni because they are not doing any good kuwena. They are only putting you down, adding more burden until you can't fly at all because bona izinto abayishoyo azikwakhe. Ayikho into ongifonelela yona ungibuza ukuthi iSundowns idlale kanjani. Angina ama shares mina kwaSundowns. I don't have to know ukuthi idlale kanjani. Awungeke ungibuza ukuthi mina ngizweni kobuka iComrade marathon. Anginami nama shares kule business leyana anginama shares. Ayikho into engiadvertisele lapha kwaComrade ekufuza ukuthi ngiyibuke. Because I know what yini engenza, I know what yini engidingayo. Ngalo ndlela ke poverty, it is highly contagious bakithi. Highly contagious because kunezinto wena ozenzayo ezingagcina zikuthelele ngotwayi lokuhlupheka, but kunabantu abanemali abangafuni ukusondelana nawe ngoba unophuwa, you are going to uzobathelela. Kodwa wena zama phela ungasondele kubona uhambele eduze kwabo so that uzozwa izinkulumo abazikhulumayo ngoba bona bakhuluma ulimi lemali. Uqale nawe ufunda ithoni yabantu bemali uthi bakhuluma kanjani. Uyazi abantu abaphuwa noma bangaba nemali kodwa uyambona umuntu unayo imali kodwa psychologically mindset yakhe akakabi nemali. I right unayo imali oyiphatha imali kodwa akakabi nemali. Uyabona mesingena nawe sizofica nehotel sekufuze sihambe sophaka kwibuffet, it's where you fail. Kwibuffet it's where you fail. Kwibuffet the more uphake kakhulu sizokubuza kuthini ukuthi ulambe ngempela. Uthi hey bese ngilambile kushuthi ukudla kukho ekhaya. You are grossly dependent ukuthi uzodla nathi la ngoba sesidla. You understand? Ipoverty ke iya expose. Awukwazi mesithenga itiye wena ubuza ukuthi it's cut tea ngabe ngithi mina itiye lemnyama ngithi wena 5 roses athi omunye green tea yaba athi omunye amanzi ashisayo anolamula yabamba. Wena umuthi ucela Red Bull. Red Bull. Razo kwenzekani semithingini lana wena usufuna energy kwenzekani vese ukuthi ngiyithanda Red Bull abanayo Red Bull ekhaya. Wena ukhuluma iqiniso wena sitshela ukuthi uba kanti sihamba nobavesela lona uthatha iteli imnyama eli strong elingenalo ubisi ngamabomu ufuna ukuba focus kulento esokhuluma ngayo. Lona ke bese uyihlushela ushukela lo bese nabamba amanzi ashisana ulamula ufuna ukuba focus. Wena ufuna energy drink unayo imali vese kunathi kodwa i-mindset yakhe akakutsheli ukuthi unemali. Akakutsheli ukuthi unemali. Labo bantu ke labafuna sibabheke and then start ukuthi as from sihlwane meetingini into ezokwenzeka mina ngizokunika mina number yakho ngeke ngiyithathe. Ngizothi uma usungifanele ngayiboni. Mina ke bengazi number ngiyithatha izongena kwi call center. Because una imali kodwa usenensila yenhlupheko the way you do things. Awukwazi meetingini sinawe kungena ifkhoni yasekhaya icall yasekhaya uyibambe la phambi kwethu noma ngabe ayikho class speaker sizokuzwa ukuthi uthini usho oqala ukuthi gentlemen excuse me bengicela ukuthatha le ucela kuthina kuqala umuzokuthatha bengicela ukuthi ngithathe le call mesithi ayikhuleka razithathe yabo ukushuthi usukuma nayo wehlisa ivolume uyokhuluma lapha ayisese meetingini siyaphuma manje bekuphuthuma kakhulu yini hayi ifonele office bazomthatha udrive yakhe ngiyaba ngisho bafowethu angixolisa kakhulu bekuyifro okay fine ivesi ibhalile nje ukuthi wife besibonile ukuthi ifro le fonayo yabo kodwa ufuna ucela kuthina because lana singabanye abantu sifuna ukukhuphulana yabo sifuna ukukhuphulana ngiyenza ukuthi nawe uma njengoba ungenayo imali ufuna ukuhlala namarasane enyuka uma ungenelwe icall iyabhala ukuthi wife thathe ecela kubona kuqala ungathi nisuke nifuna kubona kuqala ngoba kunento esikhuluma ngayo le sensitive uzothi umuntu ufuna ukujomba sikuthembi ukuthi bekuline wakho yena ukuthi uma sengilapha musu uyangifonela yabo so ayikuthi futhi ake simene ngicama futhi awumise lo before la ayimise ifro yakhe ayimise ngoba sihlanganisa uline omhlophe lana kanti manje sifuna ukuba ngeqiniso yabo asazi njengoba wena sesilahlela iplangwe wafunda eplangweni usukhande lo muntu ukuthi ngoba manje isikhathi ubuya nale call asinayo isho ukuthi uyicishile yini mhlambe lo muntu ongale uyaqethuka ngeyalo zethu asikuthembi no asinda amafoni asimeni aqala siqede lento le ibhalile phela ukuthi ifro the after sarwas uma sibuye thina la nefoni wena usuyibeka la vesi blank ekhanyile nje emva ethatha call yase absorber futhi the after sakuthembi yabo engisho ukuthi ke cela kuthina qala kube ithina sithi accord muse uyabench yakhe yababa this is Babu Totela bakithi akhona into engisafuna ukukhuluma la but yimbi kodwa afuna siyikhulume ngoba office singayikhulumi abantu abaningi babhekene nami as from today kumele ukwazi lo educated people are same as rich people they hate or they dislike or they suppress uneducated and poor people angiqale phansi abantu abafundile bayefana nabantu abarich ababathandisisi kahle abantu abangafundanga futhi abantu abampofu basebenzisa izindlela eziningi ukubacindezela nokuba segregate kubona. What am I trying to illustrate is this? Lento lena ke wena start to build yourself up, not downward. Zikhulise wena ngoba labantu abafundile they do everything there to suppress you because you are not educated and you are not even rich. I have a proof. I have worked with educated people. There was a project associated in the UKZN with nama professors. The way they were segregating people who were poor and uneducated, it was unfair. It was unfair, very unfair. Those people are not even given a chance to say something in a meeting because they are poor. Who mentioned doctor because you don't understand, because you don't understand. That is why I could imagine poverty. Ni poverty. Manje ke into engiyishoyo ke abantu siyakubona lo na government usenza same element ukuthi labantu abangafundile ababe ma organs of political rallies. Angiqale phansi labantu abangabafundile ababa amathuluzi ogqugquzela imicimbi yezepolitiki akuyibona abalayishwe emabhasini thwalandana abantu yonke indawo balandwe ngamabhasi bangazi ukuthi bazohlala bangazi ukuthi bazodlana because they are poor. Abantu abaphuwa bacontrolwa abantu abafundile abanemali. Abantu abangenayo imali abangafundile they like children, they've got no say. And thereafter what I'm telling you is this: qala manje wena usebenze impilo yakho to grow it up. Ziningi izinto ngoba ukhubazekanga ongakwazi ukuzenza that will introduce yourself kubantu abanemali abafundile kube sekuba wena obeka iprice yakho. Mase kube wena obeka iprice yakho. Abantu abafundile isikhathi esiningi abanawo ama skills, abanawo amakhono athize. Kunamakhono thina esinawo. Ukwakhiwa kwamagate ahamba ngesliding ngemoto akukho evarsity leyo nto le yenziwe emgaqweni. Inkampani zaka car tracker isebenza ngomgaqo zibambe uline wegebengu ukuthi imoto zintshontsha kanjani and they work against that. Ayikho lento evarsity yaka car tracker ayikho. Kunezinto okufuna uzenze wena ongafundanga ezogcina ziphoqa laba abafundile ukuthi ube idemand kubona. kube ibrand kubona. Kube khona into abazofuna ukuhlala nawo phansi babuze ukuthi uyenza kanjani lento, how uyenze kufika kuthini kuwena. Elon Musk akanayo iPhD. Akanayo. Kodwa kunabantu abalenda ukuthi ufuna athi umuntu eyabona futhi kuba ngancwadi mina ngabe ngitswempu razabona kuba ngancwadi futhi kusala kancane nje ngabe ngitswempu like njenganami nje. Sekusele nje mhlambe unyaka odwa uthi ngibe ibillionaire ngishoda ngemali kuphela. Uma unganginika imali automatically aba billionaire. And then it comes to that, and then those people they feel funny about you. Uthi this guy reckon that sekushoti is 1 year away to become a billionaire. Ake sithole ukuthi yini. Maybe fika kona uyabatshe yabona manganginika imali sengingaba billionaire. All I need is money. Ngedlala. Yeah, remember that time we met. Kunesikhathi efuna usikhumbule khehle. Kunesikhathi efuna usikhumbule. Ukhumbule ngifike endaweni ngizokwakha. Wena umuntu oqala owangemukelayo. Wena umuntu oqala wavula yenye izindlu zakho ngafaka usemende kuyona. Wena umuntu oqala wavuma ukuthi ngidrive egcekeni lakho mengiya kwami ngingenayi driving kungekho possible ukuthi imoto ezideliver esayithini yami bese ngakwazi ukuletha usemende buzo deliver emgaqweni unethwe izimvula ama blocks antshontshwa abantu but wena endaweni kubo bonke amakhelwane wavuma ukuthi ayizuma imoto zingadlula neze lapha side verse umakhelwane. Kunabantu empilweni esibakhohlwayo. Kunabantu empilweni esibakhohlwayo. Awu understand. Kunabantu namhlanje empilweni esibakhohlwayo. Esinjenje kungenxa yabo. Yebo namhlanje ushayela ucode 14. Uyamkhumbula indosiso besebenza as a maid eMajardini. Uyakhumbula yini ukuthi wakuthola uno standard 9? Wathena ngoba uno 10 nawe ucela ube nawo 10. Uthe uma uba no 10 wasokukhulumela neboss yakhe ne-hardware ukuthi uzobamba e-hardware. Wasuka kwi-security. Wasebenza e-hardware yeboss eqashe umkakho. Washayela ama-truck akhona ucode 10. Wakhuphuka wazenza u14. Kodwa umuntu oqala walekelela empilweni yakho kwakungunkosikazi wakho lo besenze eMajardini. Uyakukhumbula yini lokho? Awusakhumbula. Kunabantu empilweni efuna sibakhumbule mhlazana sisephuwa. Kufuna abantu sibakhumbule mhlazana singenalutho. Singenalutho, but they stood up and they said something about us. Funa ukhumbula umuntu wena othe umuphuma ejele. Wafika lana emarket erank yakwehlisa lapha imoto iyojele. Wafika la eDurban station uphethe ithikithi. Uphuma eCR. Phumela eCR uphethe ithikithi nesikhwanyana esibhedla uphuma ejele. Kunomuntu ofikele kuyena ungenalutho. Uyamkhumbula yini lo muntu? Uphuma ku18 years. Zonke into ezisemnyanga uzazi okwazi ukusebenzisa ngisho microwave. Usamkhumbula injabano so right. Namhlanje ufaka amashetha acwebezelayo. Kodwa kunomuntu okwazi wena usafaka usiyasebenza. Uyamkhumbula yini? If umkhumbula yini oyenzayo ngayo? Angifuna ukuthi ukwemukele lokho. We are in the same situation. I have built people. Babu Dokotela, I mean built like BULT. I have built people today bayinto ezinkulu. But bakhohle ukuthi I played a huge role empilweni zabo. Ngenzela ukuthi la wherever you are, lo muntu usumbona ku TV, lo muntu usumbona entanda ku social media, lo muntu usumbona esefilter, akuwena wedwa onabantu abadlulele esandleni. Today they forgotten. Engisho ukuthi kunabantu ke namhlanje kufuna sazi ukuthi sinje kodwa ufuna sikhumbule ukuthi what they did to us, it's what made us today. Ukuba bona basiregreta empilweni zabo ngabe namhlanje siyona lento esiyona. Amadoda amaningi ayilenta iyona namhlanje namalunda nga2 nensumpe ngemuva. It because of labo mama laba asemshiye lapha embumbulu nengane. Yena usehlala kuphi? eMorningside. Uhlala nobani? Ntombazana semandeni emficenini emfice senemali. Uyibona bahlangana ku site meeting eNewcastle. ubengafuni ukuhamba nomkakhe kuma-site meeting ngoba ubenzela ukubona amantombazane. Namhlanje umkakhe usemakhaya eMkhomazi, yena use-Morningside in an expensive flat. Expensive flat. Kodwa umuntu wamenza le nto semkhohliwe. Asingabakhohlwa abantu abasibekela sikhona namhlanje. I was once had a channel yayingenayo viewership, yayingenayo ama-likes, ingenayo followership. Kodwa namhlanje ngine channel and a channel. I am proud having Babu Tokotela TV with more than 50,000 subscribers. I am proud to have Ubunyanga Basendolo with more than 5,000 subscribers. I don't deserve that. I even question myself, God, what have I done right that you can bless me with these people? But ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi I once didn't have those people. Mina sengizotsakela labantu abangama-followers ami. I should not be doing that. I love you. Goodbye. Happy New Year. Thank you.